So this is, you see this? This is an acorn top, and squirrels probably took the other piece and ate all the stuff in it, and it's like a little hat for my finger. Now this is a maple leaf, and this one
Sassafras.
is a sassafras.
What did the Native Americans do with the sassafras?
The Native Americans did,
They made a tea out of it,
they made a tea out of it.
and you could actually brush your teeth with the bark.
You can actually brush your teeth with it. Hello, we're on a nature hike right now.
Where are we at?
We are at
Wahkeena Nature Preserve.
Wahkeena Nature Preserve. And we're hiking right now. If you want to check out my nature videos that I did here, I talk about like nature and stuff, and I'm gonna do a few more soon. So I hope you go check out those videos, and